Yes, so swimming is a good exercise. Once in a while, go to the river, go to the lake, go to the pool, go and swim. Yes, carry that your partner, go and swim and enjoy life. Don't have a swimming pool, go and look for river. Don't have river, go to the ocean. Just make sure you go and swim.
Okay,
Swimming
so
is
you can
very good.
generate a video like this with the use of AI for free without watermark. So first of all, you go to your ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate a couple swimming or a couple they are together in the pool. So you can see what I did. So ChatGPT gave me this. Then from here you go to your AI. It's called Hedra AI. You register with your email. You accept all the terms and conditions. And this AI can generate longer video with a single prompt. And this is how the interface look like. This is Hedra AI and it's for free. You are not paying for this. So this is how the interface look like. You can see. Okay, so you select if you want to generate picture, you see where you're going to click generate picture and you accept the consent. Then you can now upload your picture that you want to turn into video. So we are changing image to video. So you write a prompt. Okay, so from the prompt you say you're trying to generate a video where the man is talking and the lady or the woman, she's reacting. I don't want it to look like the man is just talking and the wife is not moving. So you can create your own prompts. If you want a video like this, you can say the man should be talking and the wife is just smiling. So here is the prompt I generated. So please, if you are new on this channel, I do a lot of wonderful things. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. Thank you. So here is the prompts I want for the picture that is being turned to video. So from here you record your voice, how you want your character to react. So I'm going to make a voice record now. So I did 20 seconds voice record. You can imagine 20 seconds. Then you upload. You can see the uploading. So when you're uploading, this is what it will bring up, preparing to generate your video. You can generate up to 20 seconds video and it's for free. You don't have to pay for this. So after it will take you to this phase. You can see a place up here where you have 0% generated. So you wait small while it generates. This might take a little while because you are not paying. But if you want it quick, then you have to pay. You can see you upgrade. Upgrading means you are paying. So this is for to wait. You can just keep it or minimize it. Later go back to the app. Your video will have been generated by that time. So please, if you're still watching up to this time and if not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question about this or you need more clarification, please let me know in the comment section. So you can use it to even create your own adverts. You can use for storytelling, and it's just unique. This Hedra AI. Alright, so here's the video that was generated. Now you can see. Then from here, you save the video. There's a place where you click on save. Let me scroll so I see. You can see now. Save the video. Okay, now you don't have to upgrade, just click download. The video will save in your gallery or in your phone file. It will save automatically and the size are not that big. Very nice. Now you can see downloading complete. So from here now you have it on your phone or your system or laptop or whatever you are using. Okay, now before we go to the final video, this other video was generated with Hailuo AI. I used another Hailuo AI to spice it up. So while the man was talking, I tried to introduce some video. That video was generated with Hailuo AI. So Hailuo AI, I've been talking about Hailuo AI in my previous video. So you can download Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI can generate a 5 seconds video and they are sold for free as well. You can generate text to video, images to video, and subject to video. So here's our results.
Yes, so swimming is a good exercise. Once in a while, go to the river, go to the lake, go to the pool, go and swim. Yes, carry that your partner, go and swim and enjoy life. You don't have a swimming pool, go and look for
Thank you.
river.
Please don't
You don't
forget to
have river, go
subscribe.
to the
Bye.
ocean. Just make sure you go and swim. Swimming is very good.